And you'll start right here with good morning.
Good morning, Donahoe Dolphins. It's news at Donahoe. I'm Donahoe Elementary. I'm Drake.
Today is our career day. We do career day to expose kids to careers that they either may not know about or careers that they want to be in but don't know how to get there yet.
My favorite thing to do was when the reporter came and told us about her job, and I like talking on the thing where you read it and tell us what to do.
Friends and co-workers and, of course, people.
So it's really important for them to start thinking about it. That way they can start planning what they want to do to match the things that they're interested in. So seeing all a bunch of things they may not realize that are out there for them.
This is where kind of the art and your own creativity comes in. You can create different shapes, use different colors.
We want to make sure that at a young age they're starting to think about things they might be interested in and then relate those to their careers. So seeing all these people, seeing all these trucks, it really shows them so that they can just start planning whatever road they want to venture down.
They want us to have new jobs and know what we're going for in life and tell us what it's about and just nice things to do.
So we have outside, we have our tow trucks out here, we have a motorcycle out here, we have animal protection.
What is this called on top of my head? Who can...
We have firefighters out here. Inside we have Chic-fil-a, we have a YMCA aquatics instructor, we have welding.
They're welded together and I cut them in half.
We have a helicopter technician. We have all different kinds of people here with us today.